If you've lost access to your Capital One account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Username or Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Provide account information. Enter the required information such as your social security number, date of birth, and account number. This information helps verify your identity without needing a verification code. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Select an alternative recovery option. Capital One may offer methods such as answering security questions or receiving a one-time password via email if you have access to your registered email account. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions based on the recovery option you selected. If you chose to answer security questions, provide the correct answers to proceed. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to finalize the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Capital One account. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Capital One customer service for further assistance.